Peace and blessings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Asef Jensai Bay here. This is an informative video, and this video is in regards to debunking the whole claim that's being made against natural citizens of America in regards to their counterclaims in regards to debt and or mortgage debt, student loans debts, and debt discharge. You know, I'm getting sick and tired of individuals making the claim that the birth certificate isn't a bond, and that the Social Security isn't a bond. All right, I'm gonna get right into it. Okay. Yeah, let's look at Uniform Commercial Code UCC 3-311, accord and satisfaction by use of instrument. All right. This is Cornell law. If Section 8, Part 8 here says, if a person against whom a claim is asserted proves that the person in good faith tendered an instrument to the claimant as full satisfaction of claim, the amount of the claim was unliquidated or subject to a bona fide dispute, and the claimant obtained payment of the instrument, the following subjections apply. Unless subjection applies, the claim is discharged. If the person against whom the claim is asserted proves that the instrument or an accompanying written communication contained a conspicuous statement to the effect that the instrument was tendered as full satisfaction of the claim. That's the only part I'm gonna read, y'all. Y'all go and read the rest now. So here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go to the definition of municipality, and then I'm gonna go to the definition of municipal bond. You guys see that this municipal bond here. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the definition of municipality. Okay. And we're talking about state government. Okay. Your locality, your state, when your Social Security number was issued and when your birth certificate was issued. All right. Let's look up municipality. And I know some of you illiterate individuals, I think you're just so smart out there. I know some of y'all don't think that terminology matters, as if terms do not matter in law. So most of you don't even know what the hell a municipality is. All right. So let's look up the definition of municipality. All right. And you'll find this similar in the Oxford Dictionary in Black Law. A city or town that has corporate status and local government. Now let's go over here. A municipality is usually a single urban or administrative division having corporate status and powers of self-government or jurisdiction as granted by national and state laws to which it is subordinate. All right. Now I hope you listen to that. As granted by national, federal conclave, that's national, guys. U.S. conclave, okay, the Constitution, okay, because they think the United States is a nation, and it's been deemed as that as a corporate nation, and state laws to which it is subordinate. All right. Now, what is the damn Social Security card? Okay, let's look up the definition of a municipal bond. Municipal bond. Now, this is Wikipedia. Look it up in the Black's Law Dictionary. Commonly known as Muni bond, is a bond issued by a local government or territory or one of their agencies. It is generally used to finance public projects such as roads, schools, airports, seaports, and infrastructure related to repairs. The term municipal bond is commonly used in the United States, which has the largest market of such trade-able securities in the world. Let me go back and highlight that for y'all. Which has the largest market of such trade-able securities in the world. Okay? Now, based on this definition, it states that it is a bond that's issued by a local government. Now, okay, when you go down to the Social Security office, all right, and you get your child a Social Security card, okay, was that not issued by a locality having the authority to do so? And it says Social Security. Now, let's go to the definition of bond, people, because y'all, I mean, y'all, y'all do a lot of this talking, but y'all don't talk by definition. And y'all people need to stop listening to these people who don't speak by definition. Let's look at the definition of bond. A thing used to tie something or to fasten things together. An agreement with legal force in particular. Joined or by joined securely to something else, typically by means of an adhesive substance, heat, or pressure. Alright? Is not your social security joined to you? Does not your social security number bind you to the locality or the federal government? Alright, so that's a bond, correct? Okay. Okay. I kind of, I kind of rest my case here with this thing. So, let's go to tender. Let's go to the term tendered, as in legal tender, or as in someone tendered an instrument for payment. Okay. Tendered. Definition of tendered. Offer or present something formally. Propose, suggest, advance, submit, extend, give, render. An example is she tendered her resignation. Offered money as payment. Make a formal written offer to carry out work, supply goods, or buy land, shares, or any asset for a state fixed price. Tender. To pay. You see the part in there where it says payment. Offer money as payment. It is accepted and tendered. The promissory note, once signed, once you state the terms and conditions therein, and it is accepted and deposited with your Social Security used as collateral, a Social Security bond, by the way, or your birth certificate, which is a municipal bond, by the way, okay, is accepted and deposited, then that's payment. That's payment, people. And I'm sick and tired of y'all people getting under my videos talking about, yeah, well, I'll pay you with a promissory note. You're going to stop all that smart alecky talk. All right? I'm not the damn credit bureaus. I'm not the company that's backed by, federal credit. I'm not the company that's backed by a goddamn bank that's taking your security and tendering it to a damn bank and then selling it up to a Federal Reserve Bank and then ordering money from it. I'm not that person. All right? Now, these are terms and definitions. These are uniform commercial codes as well. These are all commercial terms and definitions which are all feasible in court through an affidavit of fact. Or when you're filing a suit, you do a glossary of terms because these doggone lawyers and damn judge, no offense to the judge, respect to all of you judges that are, holding your position in honor and are listening to the facts on both sides and are, definitely reading these documents. Even the ones that are saying, hey, we have no jurisdiction, y'all got to go to a higher court. And they generally do an order to dismiss on behalf of the plaintiff, which usually is the mortgage company. Now, the order to dismiss is not an order against you. It's just an order to dismiss because they don't have the capacity to even continue to hear the case. So that means you guys got to go to United States court. And they'll probably lose in U.S. court. They don't want to do that. So they probably just continue to harass you as much as they can. But they never got an order for you to leave the property. Okay? So there's a difference, people. That's all I'm going to say. So yes, this video is in support of any bills of exchange that are drafted and they don't have to be registered. Okay? Because they're private exchanges for, less than 4 parties. Okay? Between less than 4 parties. All right. So this video is in support of the promissory note, a good promissory note security that was accepted, and it's in support of the bill of exchange, and it's in support of offset bonds. No, we don't use except for value. That's a very broad stamp right there because you have to have your paperwork in. You got to have your documents tight. You got to do UCC1 liens on these people, on these organizations, and corporations that are infringing on your intellectual property and trading on your securities without your permission. So I'm going to go ahead and adjourn this video. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you everybody for subscribing. Please go to the website, check out the services, and let us help you out as much as possible because it's definitely happening. All right, and this has been going on before you got into this thing, and people have been getting their homes way before you probably was born if you're 30 years old. All right. Do your research. This stuff goes to court. If it don't go to court, then you just messing with these companies and you ain't putting liens on them. You don't have your secure party documents in. You don't have affidavits. You don't have legal notices. You don't even know how to go ahead and authorize the trade of the doggone security, which already happened, and to make them fiduciaries for the payment. So, once again, visit our website. Thanks for watching.